Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make butter biscuits. Very simple and easy to make. So the ingredients you're going to need is, first of all, some butter, caster sugar, and then self-raising flour, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then some egg yolk as well. So first add the butter in the bowl, and then the caster sugar. And what you want to do is just use a electric whisker, or just use a whisker and just mix it all away.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the butter, boo, you know how we do. It's to say.
To put this all on the tray, so I'll just put the baking sheet on top of the tray, and then also buttered it. And this is the sort of icing tools that I use. You could pretty much get them off anywhere, Poundland, Amazon, anywhere. And this is the setting that I'll be using, and yes, let's see how it turns out.
For me to say you love.
And there you have the biscuits all done.
It's not for me to say